Hello students, I welcome all of you in KENE'S Educare. Today we are learning about algebraic expression of your chapter 7th Mathematics NCERT. तो ये स्टार्ट करते हैं. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखेंगे यूजिंग algebraic expression, formulas and rules. We have seen earlier also that formulas and rules in the mathematics can be written in a concise and general form using algebraic expression. Okay, we see below several example. देखिए यहाँ पर पेरीमीटर फॉर्मूलाज. द पेरीमीटर ऑफ एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल क्या होगा? 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय लेंथ ऑफ इट साइड. इफ वी डिनोट द लेंथ ऑफ द साइड ऑफ अ देखिए इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल बाय एल, then the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is equal to 3l. Now similarly the perimeter of square क्या होगा? 4l होगा. l क्या है हमारा? लेंथ ऑफ द साइड है. where the l length of the side of the square. Perimeter of the regular pentagon क्या होगा? 5 multiply by l, where l is the length of the side of the pentagon and so on. So students, area formulas. If we denote the length of square by l, then the area of the square हो जाएगा l square. If we denote the length of the rectangle by l and its breadth is a b, then the area of the rectangle l multiply by मतलब lb हो जाएगा. Similarly, b stands for the base and h stands for the height of the triangle. Then the area of the triangle half multiply by base multiply by height होता है. यहाँ पर हम just b multiply by h भी पुट कर सकते हैं, तो bh by 2 हमारा आंसर हुआ. Once a formula, that is the algebraic expression for a given quantity, is known, the value of the quantity can be computed as required. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर द स्क्वायर ऑफ द लेंथ 3 सेंटीमीटर, द पेरीमीटर इज ऑब्टेन बाय पुटिंग द वैल्यू जस्ट l इज इक्वल टू 3 इन द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द पेरीमीटर, जो यहाँ पर 4l है. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ गिवन स्क्वायर क्या होगा? 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 वी गेट 12 सेंटीमीटर. So similarly the area of the square is obtained by putting in the value of l is equal to 3 centimeter in the expression for the area of square, that is l square. So area of the given square is equal to क्या होगा? 3 square मतलब 9 centimeter square यहाँ पर होगा आंसर. And then rules for number patterns. Study the following statement. If a natural number is denoted by n, इट्स सक्सेसर क्या हो जाएगा? उसका आगे का नंबर क्या होगा? n+1 होगा. उसके आगे का नंबर क्या होगा? n+1+1 यहाँ पर होगा. ओके, मतलब ये टर्म इसमें हमने +1 किया तो हमें आगे वाला आंसर मिल जाएगा. सो वी कैन चेक दिस फॉर द एनी नेचुरल नंबर्स. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल n इज इक्वल टू 10 हमने पुट किया, सो वी गेट 10+1, इट्स अ सक्सेसर, सो इट्स 11. So its successor n+1 means we get 11, which is known. If the natural number is denoted by n, 2n is the even number and the 2n plus 1 and the odd number. Let us check if for any number say 15, 2n is equal to 2 multiplied by n, matlab 2 multiplied by 15 means we get 30, is indeed an even number. So 2n plus 1, 2 multiplied by 15 we get 30 plus 1 we get 31, is indeed an odd number. So some more patterns, number patterns. Let us now look at the another pattern of numbers, this time without any drawing to help us. 3, 6, 9, 12 and 3n. The numbers are such that they are multiples of 3 arranged in an increasing order. Beginning with 3, the term which occurs at the nth position is given by the expression 3n. You can easily find the term which occurs in the 10th position, which is 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. So 100th position यहाँ पर which is 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300 and so on. So students, pattern in geometry. What is the number of diagonals we can draw from one vertex of a quadrilateral? Check it. It is 1. So from one vertex of a pentagon, check it has a 2. So from the vertex is hexagon क्या होगा? It is a 3. The number of diagonals we can draw from one vertex of a polygon of a n side is n-3. So check it for the heptagon 7 sides and octagon 8 sides by drawing the figures. Figure draw करिए and identify करिए. So what is the number of triangles? Number of the triangles, there are the 3. Observe that diagonals drawn from any one vertex divide the polygon in as a many non-overlapping triangles as the number of diagonals that can be drawn from the vertex plus 1. तो स्टूडेंट्स हमने इस पूरे चैप्टर में क्या क्या डिस्कस किया है आइए देख लेते हैं, एक बार नजर डालते हैं. सो algebraic expression are formed from variables and constant. We use the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variables and constant to form expressions. For example, the expression 4xy plus 7 is formed from the variables x and y and the constant 4 and 7. The constant 4 and variables x and y are multiplied to give the product 4xy and the constant 7 is added to its product to give the expression. Expression are made up of terms. Terms are added to make an expression. For example, the addition of the terms 4xy and 7 gives the expression 4xy plus 7. A term is product of factors. The term 4xy in the expression 4xy plus 7 is a product of factors 4x, x and y and 4. Factors containing variables are said to be algebraic expressions. The coefficient is the numerical factor in the term. Sometimes any one factor in a term is called the coefficient of remaining part of the term. Any expression with one or more terms is called the polynomial. Especially if one single term is there, we call it as a monomial expression. A two terms expression is there, then we call it as a binomial, and a three terms expression is called as a trinomial. The terms which have the same algebraic factors are like terms. Terms which have different algebraic factors are unlike terms. Thus, terms 4xy and minus 3xy are the like terms, but the 4xy and minus 3x are not a like terms. The sum or a difference of a two like terms is a like term with a coefficient equal to the sum of the coefficient of the two like terms. Thus, 8xy minus 3xy is equal to, we get 8 minus 3xy means 5xy. When we add two algebraic expressions, the like terms are added as given above. The unlike terms are left as they are. Thus, the sum of 4x square plus 5x and 2x plus 3 is 4x square plus 7x plus 3. The like terms 5x and 2x add to 7x. The unlike terms 4x square and 3 are left as they are. In situations such as solving an equation and using a formula, we have to find the value of the expression. The value of the expression depends on the value of the variable from which the expression is formed. Thus, the value of 7x minus 3 for x is equal to 5 is 32. Since 7 multiplied by 5 minus 3, we get 35 minus 3 means 32. Then, rules and formulas in mathematics are written in a concise and general form using algebraic expressions. Thus, the area of rectangle LB, where L is the length and B is the breadth of the rectangle, the general nth term of the number patterns or a sequence is an expression in a n. Thus, nth term of the number pattern 11, 21, 31, 41 is so on is 10n plus 1. तो स्टूडेंट्स इसी के साथ ही आज का हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 4 हम यहाँ पर ही एंड करते हैं. अभी मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जहाँ पर हम एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे. थैंक यू.